Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today we're going to be doing my Ipsy Bag. So, as you know, every Ipsy Bag comes in these pink envelopes, and it's looking pretty purple on camera, but it is pink, that are made out of like bubble wrap, and then inside find your bag. And the bag, this one looks like this. It's just like a orange or a canvasy material, and it has like a yellow zipper and a little yellow doodah, what do you call this, tassel, and yellow piping. And to be completely honest, I don't really like it. So someone else in my family would enjoy it. And then as for the products that I got inside, some of them are things that I cannot review right in person, so you'll be seeing those items at the end of the video because I'm going to use them tonight, and then let you guys know how I felt about it. And yeah, just jump right into the bag. So since we're already talking about products that I won't be trying on my camera, let's start with those. So the first things I got in my Ipsy bag, well, obviously not in the bag, picture bag, but in the envelope, are these two masks. And they are the Juice Up Mask by Lab For You. And one of them is a blackberry mask, and the other one is a kale mask. And let's see what it says about it. For the kale one, it basically says it's full of beta carotene, is best for anti-stress and redness relief, treatment for your skin. It is a sheet mask that will perfectly fit, helping deeper penetration of essence for maximum effect. I don't really find that I have a problem with redness, but I'm all for that anti-stress life. And then the blackberry mask is this rayon sheet mask soaked in blackberry essence will contour perfectly to your face, helping you regain vibrant skin. One day you will look in the mirror and say, very, very nice. That's so lame, but it's kind of cute and funny. But anyways, I will try one of these masks, and I'll let you guys know. If it breaks me up, if it felt good, if it's not weird, I'll let you know. You will see that at the end of the video. The next item that we got in the Ipsy bag is this serum from Mint Hair, and it is a rose hip night serum. So I will again try this tonight, and then tomorrow I will tell you guys how I felt about it. What this says it will help you with is a powerful anti-inflammatory, anti-aging blend, stimulate collagen and elastin for firmer skin, reduce dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles. I'm also in a dark spot thing when it comes to like yes. And deep overnight intensive moisturizing treatment. So I will give this a try tonight, and then I'll let you guys know how I feel. Obviously, if one of these two things break me up, I'm not going to be able to tell which one, so maybe I'll use one tonight, and then I'll use another one the next night. And then, no matter what, when you're watching this video at the end, I will come back on and review both products for you. So the next thing I got in my Ipsy bag is this blush, and it's by Kelly Doe Cosmetics, and it's a skin blush. And I did take a little sneak peek so I know what makes it on my face and what not to put on my face. And when I opened up this blush and I saw the color, I was like, there's no way this is going to be a blush on me. But it could make a good highlight. So we're going to use it for that purpose today, because that is not blush. This is like the color of like champagne. So I'm just going to tap my little brush in there. Okay, so see what I mean? That looks like gold on me. But it's a cute little compact mirror. And that's it. And I actually like this. Oh my gosh, that is so intense. Okay, tap, tap, tap. Ooh, I gotta put more on this side to for this side. Well, you guys will really be seeing how this product works in action. Do a little bit on our nose. This is very, very fragrant. I'm just going to put some over my have down like just a crease shade and some mascara, so this can't hurt, right? If anything, I'll just be blinging. Oh yeah, that is one intense highlight. Trying to space in this one. Okay, next product. Let's move on. So the next product I got is the eyeshadow. Oh no, why did I put that on my eyes? The next product I got is an eyeshadow from Hikari, and it's a cream pigment, and it's gonna be going right over that gold. So I got the shade Fierce, like that, and it's a cruelty-free brand, which is always nice. And I got this nice like burgundy cranberry shade. So this was a blush, and I got a blush brush. Okay, I'll be back. Let me get an eyeshadow brush. So I'm just gonna take a flat synthetic brush. So this is cream, so I don't know if it's gonna pick up. Oh, never mind. It picked up a lot. I'm just gonna put this right over top of that gold that we put on our lid. Oh, that is intense. How's it going? Everything is so intense today. Not going as high as the gold is, because it's that big fluffy brush for the gold, and it still came out super intense. But I'm just gonna focus on my lid, not going for my crease. Honestly, when I do Ipsy videos, I'm not trying to make a look out of this, because I just really want to show how like the products apply to the skin and work on the brushes. It's not a planned look, especially since like I only glance at the products. I don't actually like take them out and swatch them. Well, I might have swatched a few, but you know what I mean. Do the same thing on the next side. I'm filming this video sitting on my bed, and I'll show more. I do. But I didn't want to set it up, so why not? Switch it up. Give you guys a different background. How do you like plain wall? Honestly, I think it looks really pretty. I like it. It's very cranberry. I like that it's a single, and not like a single that's like in a package that you can never take it out of. Because I like to put things in palettes, like nice empty palettes, like nice empty palettes, like magnetic empty palettes. So it's nice if I put it in like this little plastic thing, so that way I can pop it out. We're already on to our last product. So the last product I got is this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife. And it's full size, which is amazing. It's so rare that they do things full size other than like mass. So a full size lipstick, I was like, yes. Packaging's really cool. It's like frosted, and then it has a black cap. I like it. I like any frosted packaging. But let's just go ahead and try this out on the lips and see how this color works. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells good. It smells like vanilla and a latte. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Went on very smooth. Everything looks so light in the camera. Like, it definitely looks darker in person than it does on camera. Not going with this eye look, but who cares? Just gonna give it a few seconds to dry and I'll tell you. So it's pretty much dried down right now, and like I think of a transfer, like next to like nothing. And as far as it's going on, it went on really easy and really smooth and even and pigmented. All the things you could ask for in a liquid lip. And it didn't dry down so fast that when I made a mistake or anything, I couldn't like clean it up. But once it did fully dry, it almost feels like powder on the lips, and it's really comfortable. Like, I never had a matte lip that was comfortable. This is like, I like this a lot. But anyways, guys, let me go through and do a quick review of these 3 products and let you know my final thoughts. So, the blush makes for a super intense highlight and a great eyeshadow. I would say use it with a light hand, unless you're looking to shine like the Chrysler Building, then be heavy-handed. But honestly, really pretty highlight, and it looked really champagne-y in here. It looked very gold on me, so it could just be my undertones making it look more gold, but definitely beautiful highlight. As for the cream eyeshadow, it didn't really, let me touch this because it didn't feel like a cream. No, it feels like a powder, but honestly it was still super creamy going on, and it went on super pigmented, so A+ overall. And this lipstick is a definitely, like, I would want to buy another one. Knowing that it's Huda Beauty, it came me a little. It was like, oh my god, I never buy high-end things. But honestly, this is so comfortable and so easy, and like so just applied so beautifully that I'm gonna say anyways, that was the first 3, and here are the next 2. So guys, I just want to check right back in and let you guys know how I felt with the other 2 products. So I'll start off with the mask. When I opened it, it didn't have too much of a smell really. The mask was black. I'm not sure how the Kale one is, what color it is. It stayed on very well. It was very saturated with liquid, which is nice. So whenever I put on that sheet mask, when I'm done using it for the 10, 15, 20 minutes, I'll take it off. I'll use whatever liquid is in the rest of the bag and apply it to my neck, because you want to bring the face hair down to the neck always. And it didn't break me out, so that was nice. It didn't really rock my world. Of course, I only used it once. I don't want to use the other one, so I can show you guys, but if I really like them and continue to use them, you'll see them in the future. My favorites video. And then the serum, the Minty Hair Rose Hip Night Serum. This was not bad, I would say, but I only like to use it in small sections. The first night I put all over my face, and it was a straight oil. And I really do not like that feeling of being oily. Like, if you're super dry, maybe you would love that and you'd be okay placing it over your face. So for me, what I did the next night is I just applied it any places where I had dark spots or like really bad blemishes, usually it starts in my cheeks. And that was a lot more manageable for myself. And I am going to continue using it and see if I see any difference. I do think it did help finish over some acne time a little bit, but I want to keep using it and testing it out. I really like it. Just like I said with the mask, if you'll see it again in the future favorites video. But anyways, guys, that's everything. I hope you like these Ipsy Bag videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!